Each week on the show, we're going to be bringing you some simple tips and tricks to help you enjoy your four-wheel driving. Now this week, we're starting with a really simple one, when to engage four-wheel drive.
On older vehicles like the 80 and the 79, choosing when to use four-wheel drive is easy. As soon as we head off the bitumen, we lock in our hubs and select four-wheel drive. This is because we have to get out and manually engage our hubs. In modern vehicles like Jamie's Ranger and Jess's Ram, engaging four-wheel drive is as simple as pressing a button.
So when should you engage four-wheel drive? Let's take away all the confusion and simplify it.
Four-wheel drive high should be engaged when driving surfaces like dirt roads or hard sand. These surfaces can have low traction, however you still need to be travelling at speed. Four-wheel drive low is all about torque, not speed. So it is used when driving more slower and technical tracks, especially if you're required to think about your wheel placement. But it's also good to use on steep hills, both up and down, and really soft, deep sand.
These are only really basic and simple rules to follow without getting into all the technical side of knowing your vehicle, its limits, the gearing, and matching that to your driving style. That will only come from time behind the wheel.